Healthcare Service Corporation is Blue Cross Blue Shield of Illinois, Texas, New Mexico, Oklahoma, and Montana. We're one of the largest health insurers in the country. When the Affordable Care Act was passed in 2010, we realized that it was going to put a great stress on our working capital and that we weren't really prepared. Well, we actually had another solution in place, and we realized that it was entirely inflexible. It was too customized. So we needed somebody that was going to be more of a partner with us, and that would be with us on a day-to-day basis to help us run the organization. I would consider Kyriba to be foundational to what we're doing, and we've really felt like where we had working capital trapped within our organization in 30 different subsidiaries, it really gave us visibility to where all of that cash was sitting, helped us to consolidate it, and instead of having anywhere from $500 million to $4 billion in available cash on a day-to-day basis to anticipate our working capital needs, we were able to reduce those bands to $50 million on an everyday basis. And that's tremendously impacted the return on investment in our everyday investment portfolio that we keep for regulatory purposes, as well as made so much more available for investment in our subsidiaries, as well as mergers and acquisitions. It's freed up so much more time because we've automated so many of our processes that we can work on over 150 different projects within our organization in a given year. That's helped us to be more strategic and more consultative to the rest of the organization. The customer service that we get from Kyriba, they're there for us. Things change every single day. We wonder, we have a lot of different dynamics in our business, and Kyriba's like an extra consultant within our own organization. Kyriba's really helped lead a transformation not only within Treasury, but the finance organization, because it's the foundation of everything that we've created. Oftentimes we take for granted now that everything that was built over and above that, whether it's the short-term forecast, the long-term forecast, and things that we're doing on the investment side, all of that has been the foundation of the Kyriba platform. Without it, none of the rest would have been possible.